Hey y'all! So why put off tomorrow what you can do today? So I decided to just get this over with today. So it's that time again. I don't know if I'm gonna be cleaning them. The tops is a little dusty. I think for this video, I'm just gonna go through them and see. Just do inventory, like I said, what I have. I didn't put the new stuff away yet, so y'all know in the previous video, the Bath and Body Works haul. Is it crooked? I just hope this video come out right. It was crooked, but I hope it works out. Okay, so let me get a little comfortable. Let me see what I can do here. Okay, so let's see. First off, take out my cocoa butter lotion, deodorant, and coconut oil. So, it's just like, okay, let me just go ahead. Let me go ahead. I got tops that's just there. Still have this old stuff, Victoria's Secret. Okay, this is not a haul. Let me take out the baby oil. Take out another deodorant. I live for these deodorants. Okay, so what I wanted to see if I had any, let me make sure my address or anything is not showing, matches to what I have in this box. So that's the plan first. I know I have like smells. Look at my gingham. This is how much I have left, and this is a year old. And I use it a lot, but no, I didn't use this one a lot. I just got rid of my other one. Here go the shimmer. I use the shimmer more than I use this one because I like to be shimmery on vacation. Yeah, I had another one. I finished that off like last month, and it still wasn't all the way gone. I have lemonade fizz, pink lemonade fizz. I have a Hello Beautiful. That's another favorite of mine, Bath and Body Works, and this is a shimmer. Seaside Pink Jasmine, another fave. See, this is how much I have of the Thousand Wishes. And I know they changed the bottle. That's why I was like, the bottle has changed. This is the old version of Thousand Wishes bottle. I hope y'all can see. This is the newer version that I just purchased. And you can feel it. You can feel the texture of the bubbles. And this one you can't feel. And this is how much is left. So I'm going to put these together and just have that one first so I can remember to use that one up. Victoria's Secret Love Spell. This used to be one of my favorites back in high school and middle school, but I stopped coming off. Sorry. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah. So I used to like Love Spell, but I grew out of that smell because it became like a... I don't want to offend nobody, so just leave it alone. I don't use it anymore. Only time I use it if I'm in the house. So, but this one was like a... Okay, where was I at? I'm not gonna keep on getting up. All these interruptions. This video is not gonna be that long. So, oh yeah, this is almost gone. This is Endless Weekend. This is the, where's it at? Where's Endless Weekend? Well, I know I have it in here. I can't get. So we'll use these together. That's how much I have. Told you I love Endless Weekend. So we can use this up. This probably be gone before this be gone. I'm telling you. For some reason, the fragrances, they just stay. So we got a match. Even though it's only a little bit, it's fine. Another one of my favorites. Watermelon Lemonade. You couldn't tell me anything when Formation came out. Lemonade. Ciao. Yes. So yeah, on the Formation tour, I was Lemonade. And I had this one. And it's only a little bit left. So. Guava Pineapple Splash. That's another good one. So all these like ones. Let's look for the one that I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find Pink Amour to see if I have a fragrance to that. I know I have like fragrances to it. I have Lush Pink. That might smell good with Paris Amour. Then I have this Dream by Victoria's Secret. I have Gardenia Fresh Rain. Oh yeah, these are dusty. I need to wipe these off. And then we have Aloha Waterfall Orchid. Champagne and Toast probably would smell nice with maybe 1,000 Wishes as well. And it probably could smell good with the Wild Honeysuckle. I don't know. But I'm not putting any more fragrances on me. I know that. And this is another lotion I have. Cactus Blossom. This smells good. So these are, I'm going to have 3 lotions left. Victoria's Secret, 2 Bath and Body Works. Then I have Poolside Breeze by Victoria's Secret. You talking about smell good. This smells really good. I have Bombshell Diamonds. Is this a lotion or body gel? Lotion. And I have One in a Million. That's another one that smells good. This is Bath and Body Works. My darn knee hurt. It's the way I sat down. I have Hawaii. It's probably fragrances that's discontinued that I have, I'm sure. What's this? Mango Tango Twist. That's another one that smells good. Cool Melon. Okay. Alright. So, more deodorant. I think that's it for the not smell. That's it for the matches. So, I really didn't have a lot of matches. But I do have smells that can be paired with these fragrances. So, what I should do is put the old, because actually this is the front of my fragrance container, and I have all these little sample ones of perfumes. Piece of a charger, weird, random in there, and the stars. So this is what I'm gonna do. Look how full this Love Spell is. Y'all can tell I don't use Love Spell anymore. Well, I will wear it in the house, but I rarely grab for it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the oldest ones to the back, which is sad because I feel like they're never going to get used if I push them to the back. And put all my new stuff to the front. So all my new stuff going to the front, starting with the ones that have to be used. Even though it's not new, I have a new lotion to it. So how I had this at one point of a time, I had fragrances on one side and I had lotions on the other. I don't know if I can do that again. The fragrances is just taking over. Maybe I can just put the lotions maybe in the front of here. Then this Poolside Breeze. This is another one that's almost gone. Surprisingly, the lotion, look at me dropping stuff. The lotion is almost gone more than the fragrances. I can't talk. Let me just shut up. Can't talk. A tack that I need. No, I'm not going to put that there. I've been the sun on it. Put that tack right there because I need that tack. Okay. So, and if y'all can see, y'all probably can't even see. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Alright, so all my shimmers, I'm going to line them up right there. Gingham, definitely going in the front. Gingham goes in the front. And then what I'm going to try to do is line these lotions up. Then I got to put my deodorant. Deodorant need to go in the front. That's something that gets used every day. So, y'all, what am I doing? Oh, this is another favorite. Heavenly Dreams by Victoria's Secret. And I love Body. Body is one of my favorite Victoria's Secret fragrances. So, the coconut oil and my lotion. Let's just put that back. I'm going to clean these off, but I'm going to clean them off camera. Because y'all know, I just get so distracted. I feel like this video is all over the place as usual. It will not be a Tasha video, a Love Being Tosh video, if it wasn't all over the place, right? I know. Okay, so Endless Weekend. Put those together. And then I said, this was going to go with 1,000 Wishes, so I'm putting that next to 1,000 Wishes. You know what? it would be smart for me to turn it around so y'all can see what I'm doing. Right? So there you go. I don't even know if y'all can see. If I push it back some more, maybe y'all can see. So I have Vaseline that I don't use. I really don't care for Vaseline at all. My mom gave me that. And then this is another one I have to get used up. But I think it's pointless to take these on vacation. But every time when I take a shower, especially at night, I'm going to start just using these fragrances up. Alright, those. My mom down there cooking. It smells so good. She made salmon and rice. And she said to put it over some kale or spinach. Okay, so these we have a match to Into the Night. So I'm going to try to put that there. That next to it. I just like the fragrances next to the fragrances and the lotions next to the lotions. But I'm going to move it over. We know how to reach for them. We know how to reach for the lotions. Because there's so many fragrances than lotions that I need space. I don't even think all of these are going to fit in here. I know they're all not going to fit here. Now, this one is an extra. Remember, I bought 2 ginghams and my mom bought me one. So hers didn't come in. So I'm putting these aside. Those are going to go in my bin over there. Then we have this one. This one will go over here. And the spray to it gonna have to go here. All this stuff not gonna fit in here. I might have to take the lotion and deodorants out. I don't know. That's what it's looking like. Now rolls, we got rolls. We do have a match to the rolls. That's this. It's like I'm just squishing stuff in here. The Wild Honeysuckle. What did I say would smell good with it? I'll figure it out. I can't remember. Yeah. Not gonna work. Deodorant and stuff have to come out. Okay. Alright, so we're actually done with that box. The game gonna go over there. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place. Okay. Okay. And I'm not gonna buy a bigger bin because we don't need to do that, do we? Do we, y'all? Okay, coconut oil. All lotions. Start with the lotions that don't have a pear. Can go back here. Lotions that have a pear to the front. And the pears will be close by. Those all the pears to it. And then that will go right there. Now I'm going to have to take out. This is a brand new deodorant. So I can put that aside. But I just have to remember that I have a brand new deodorant right there and don't buy another one and forget that I have a brand new one. But what is going to hurt? Because I'm always going to need deodorant, right? This is tedious, guys. Tedious, I tell you. Tedious. My lotion and my baby oil, you're going to have to come out. Deodorant. Who am I fooling? Take this stuff out. Just take it all out. Lotions. Gonna go right there. This is almost gone. Love Spell all the way in the bag. I probably should just get that Love Spell away. I gave 2 away already. I gave Love Spell and I gave lotion and the fragrance away. But I had like a whole bunch because I used to wear it so much back in the day. And then my mom gave me all those lotions and it was Love Spell too. So I just had so many. My little fragrances, they don't take up any space. See, all the stuff that need to just go because it's only a little bit in here, I'm just pushing it to the back, which is so bad because it's really not going to get used if it's in the back. And it's only a little bit left. These is like my travel size when I just take my personal item and a carry-on. So we got one more brand new. What's stopping this one from fitting in here? Oh, got them all in. Y'all, got them all in. So deodorant, these two deodorants almost gone anyway. I'll find somewhere to put that stuff. I'm not worried about it. But there you have it. Do I have to pick this up, y'all? This thing is heavy. Ooh, there you have it. Ooh, that's a thumbnail. I might have to do that again to get the thumbnail. But there you have it. It's not really organized like how I would want, but I just have to clean them all. I just wanted to do a little inventory. It wasn't much because I just did this inventory around this time last year, and I haven't purchased any fragrances since last year. So I made a vow to myself to at least use what I have and then purchase, especially when I wasn't even thinking about purchasing any, but when I saw that sale, I couldn't pass it by. But I wanted to do inventory before I start putting stuff away. And I had to do inventory anyway because the stuff wasn't going to fit. So, yeah, I haven't purchased any lotions or fragrances since last year, Black Friday, when I did a haul. So go back to that video if y'all want to see that. And that was the last time I organized and wiped this stuff off. I have to get in the habit of wiping this stuff off often. It's not really dusty like how it was the last video when I wiped it off. But I have to get in the habit of doing it often. But, you know, when you're ripping and running and just grabbing for what you need, you ain't thinking about wiping nothing off. But you could tell the pretty new bottles compared to the old ones. Oh my goodness. But this is my collection. This is just my body sprays and lotions. All of my fragrances, my perfumes is over there. That's what I think I was cleaning off, my perfumes. I don't even think I cleaned these off. I'm not sure. But they're not as dusty as my perfume bottles was. But, yeah. I'm not buying any more. This is it. If I need lotion, I'll use Queen Helene. Yes, I will use Queen Helene. Or my coconut oil. Or my avocado lotion. Or my Jergens lotion. And I'll use these sprays. Because the spray is going to make you smell good regardless. You can use whatever lotion you want. But these lotions should probably last me maybe like 6 months. But I'm lying, because some of these, this I had for over a year. This I got last year, I believe. So, and there's still a lot in there. And this one is still full, you might as well say, and I got this last year. But that shows which ones I grabbed for. Y'all know I grabbed for those Ocean Breeze sprays and all that stuff. So this is just a quick little simple video. Just give me y'all a little glimpse of my fragrances and lotions. But I'll find somewhere to put my baby oil, my lotion, and my 2 deodorants that's almost gone. And this random charger goes right in here. I need to stop stuffing stuff in this drawer. But I cleaned this drawer out recently, and I just continue to stuff in it. Yeah, so there you have it. So if you like this video, please like it. If I forgot to say anything, maybe I can put a text across the screen or something. Or y'all leave me a comment. Or talk to me in the premiere, because the premiere, y'all gotta start talking to me in the premieres again. I mean, y'all don't have to, but I just like to premiere the video so y'all can remember. Y'all don't really have to chat with me, but I like chatting with y'all in the premiere. Shout out to everyone that's usually there faithfully chatting with me. So yeah, anywho, if y'all like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see my fragrance collection and me doing somewhat of an organization with these fragrances collection. I don't know what I'm going to title this. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.